Hello there. Welcome to my delicious channel. Hold on, don't click away. Today, prepare to have your taste bud tickled with this powerful tea recipe, which also does wonders for your overall health. It will guide against heart attack, keep you free from cancer, free from many beasts of high blood pressure, free from osteoporosis, heart disease, and so much more. Green tea. Did you know that a single cup of green tea holds the power to unleash symphonies of benefits, which protects your cardiovascular system and overall health from various diseases? Amazing, right? Are you aware that John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, Jesus Christ." That's right, he so loved the world that he unleashed his love and healing power into nature, into every herbs, spices, trees, vegetables, and fruits to heal our bodies from the inside out. It may sound too good to be true, but fear not. Herbal tea have been captivating humanities for centuries. Its healing power and anti-aging compounds have been widely studied and scientifically proven to be a powerful superfood. So brace yourself as we unpack the benefits of green tea, the superstar packed with antioxidants that wages war against disease and works miracles on your cardiovascular systems to support a healthy lifestyle. So fellow tea drinkers, let's raise our cups high and together embark on this adventures of tantalizing health benefits of green tea. It's time to unlock the secrets of this tea that will leave your body rejuvenated, uplifted, and tea fabulous. Let the journey begin. Get ready to dive into the world of one of the most powerful tea, green tea. Drum roll, please. This tea is a superhero when it comes to promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Allow me to spill the tea on why it's so fantastic for your heart. First thing is first, green tea contains high levels of antioxidants. These are molecules our own body's defense army, which helps destroy or neutralize free radicals that can damage the cells of the body. Isn't that amazing? Furthermore, green tea contains anti-inflammatory properties. And guess what they do? They team up with antioxidants to reduce inflammation, the risk of heart disease, and pains. Incredible, right? Green tea is like a shield for your heart, fending off potential threats and keeping your cardiovascular system strong. But wait a minute, there is more. It also contains a special compound called ketogens. These ketogens are like the detective squads of green tea. They have the power to detect and lower LDL cholesterol levels, which many know as bad cholesterol. They are on a mission to keep the arteries clear from any cholesterol buildup and maintain a squeaky clean arteries. So bid farewell to the bad guy, the harmful radicals. So how can you achieve this, you ask? It is simple. By drinking 2 to 4 cups of this superb brew a day, you're taking a positive steps towards a healthier heart. Green tea is like your trusted guilty pleasure, supporting your cardiovascular system and promoting a healthier you. Remember, tea lovers, when it comes to green tea, drinking 4 cups a day can help prevent prostate, pancreatitis, bladder, and stomach cancers. Don't forget, it can also support in shedding a mountain of fat in the body that we all secretly wish we can wave a magic wand at, and poof, it goes. Well, you're in luck, because green tea is a sip in the right direction. It helps to break down fatty tissues in the body. So grab that mug and brew yourself a cup of green deliciousness and let its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory and ketogen work their magic. Moving on. Now, let's talk about the sneaky troublemaker, blood pressure. When it comes to preventing many risk factors for heart disease, such as having high blood pressure or cholesterol levels, some evidence show that green tea contains 10 beta-blocking compounds, 7 calcium channel blockers, and 16 diuretic compounds. It also has more ACE-inhibiting properties than many other plant foods that are commonly consumed. But fear not, because green tea is here to save the day. It helps increase the amount of blood your heart pumps and lowers blood pressure. Furthermore, it helps repress angiotensins due to high blood pressure by promoting blood vessel dilation, allowing your blood to flow easily, and easing the strain on your loving heart. Drinking this tea is like winning a lottery, plus the added benefit of heading towards maintaining a healthier blood pressure. And let's not forget about the incredible work it wages by lowering the risk of osteoporosis. Also, the ECG properties found in green tea stimulates an enzyme that promotes bone growth. With each cup of tea you drink, the catechins also increase bone mineralization and weaken the activities of cells that reabsorb bone rather than form them. When it comes to the functionalities of your brain, green tea is the superhero hawk of the brain. It takes over any distress and maintains a relaxing effect, alertness, and focus. And God knows we all need it. It is a source of amino acid L-theanine, which increases mood-enhancing brain chemicals that promote blood vessel growth in the brain, including GABA, dopamine, serotonin, and polyphenol, which helps slow the effect of aging on the brain, also preventing Alzheimer's or memory loss. Varieties of skin conditions don't stand a chance against the powers of antioxidant in green tea. It's like a shield swooping in, helping protect the skin from harmful radicals whilst keeping your skin in tip-top radiance. Thanks to the extract of green tea, which is now found in most skincare products, when applied on the skin for a few months, it helps prevent skin conditions like inflammation, premature aging, loss of skin elasticity, and skin damage caused by UV rays or sun exposure. Luckily, green tea, armed with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, dives in to neutralize these harmful radicals that cause havoc by promoting a cleaner, healthier environment within your body. It's truly incredible how a warm cup of tea can tackle these adversaries and encourage a more healthier, delightful you. All right, have I wowed you so far? Let's be honest. That's what green tea does. It works its ways into your heart and releases that magical goodness into you. Remember, a happy heart starts with a relaxed mind. So why not incorporate a cup of green tea into your daily food consumption? Let it become your favorite self-care routine, your personal oasis of nourishment for the body. And the added bonus, it heals and nourishes your overall health. So there you have it, people. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. But wait a minute. Before you bid me farewell, if you've gained insight from this video, I'd love to hear your success story. Kindly comment below and let me know how you're getting. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educative and exciting content. As always, drink tea and stay deliciously healthy.